Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my channel Light for Blind. This video is about most important and repeated MCQs of political science for the test of NTS, FPSC and PPSC. Before start the video, please subscribe my channel and like and share the video. Let's start. Our topic is international law. Question: the following are immune from extradition. A. Former heads of state. B. Former heads of government. C. Senior citizens. D. None of these. Its correct answer option A. Former heads of state. Question: international law is concerned with the interest of A. States. B. Non-state entities. C. Individuals. D. None of these. Its correct answer option A. States. Question: international law is the rules of A. Legally binding. B. Legally enforceable. C. Enforceable by consent. D. None of these. Its correct answer option A. Legally binding. Question: in inland waters, a state has A. no jurisdiction. B. concurrent jurisdiction. C. exclusive jurisdiction. D. its land territory. Its correct answer option D. its land territory. Question: under the Convention of the Law of the Sea, the breadth of the territorial sea is A. 6 nautical miles. B. 8 nautical miles. C. 12 nautical miles. D. None of these. Its correct answer option C. 12 nautical miles. Question: under the Convention of the Law of the Sea, the breadth of the territorial sea measurement has given in article A. 3, B. 4, C. 5, D. 6. Its correct answer option A. 3. Question: under the Convention of the Law of the Sea, the breadth of exclusive economic zone is A. 100 nautical miles. B. 200 nautical miles. C. 300 nautical miles. D. None of these. Its correct answer option B. 200 nautical miles. Question: the limit of the territorial waters of Pakistan is A. 12 nautical miles. B. 20 nautical miles. C. 24 nautical miles. D. None of these. Its correct answer option A. 12 nautical miles. Question: continental shelf of Pakistan may extend up to a distance of A. 150 nautical miles. B. 200 nautical miles. C. 300 nautical miles. D. None of these. Its correct answer option B. 200 nautical miles. Question: UN Convention on the Law of the Sea UNCLOS was signed at Jamaica in A. 1948, B. 1958, C. 1975, D. 1982. Its correct answer option D. 1982. Question: According to the UN Convention on the Law of the Sea, UNCLOS, the contiguous zone may not extend beyond A. 12 nautical miles, B. 18 nautical miles, C. 24 nautical miles, D. None of these. Its correct answer option C. 24 nautical miles. Question. Territorial Asylum Declaration was unanimously adopted by the UN General Assembly on A. 14th December 1967, B. 14th December 1968, C. 20th December 1967, D. 14th December 1977. Its correct answer option A. 14th December 1967. Question. Extradition is the process whereby one country transfers a suspected or convicted criminal to another country. It is regulated by A. Treaties, B. Mutual consensus, C. UN advice, D. None of these. Its correct answer option A. Treaties. Question. International Court of Justice ICJ is based in A. Hague, B. New York, C. London, D. Geneva. Its correct answer option A. Hague. Question. International law history starts since A. 19th century, B. 15th century, C. 18th century, D. 20th century. Its correct answer option A. 19th century. Question. The United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea came into force in A. 1994, B. 1995, C. 1996, D. 1993. Its correct answer option A. 1994. Question. The law of the sea also established a authority in 1982, that is A. International Seabed Authority, B. Marine Scientific Research, C. Marine Specific Research, D. Marine Qualitative Research. Its correct answer option A. International Seabed Authority. Question. Under the United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, International Seabed Authority was established in A. 1982, B. 1983, C. 1984, D. 1985. Its correct answer option A. 1982. Question. An exclusive economic zone EEZ is the tools defined under the A. Convention on the Law of the Sea, B. United Nations Charter, C. World Trade Organization, D. Calvo Doctrine. Its correct answer option A. Convention on the Law of the Sea. Question. De Jure Belli Ekpesis by Hugo Grotius was introduced in A. 1625, B. 1627, C. 1623, D. 1624. Its correct answer option A. 1625. Question. Hugo Grotius de Iure Belli Ekpesis dealt with the laws of A. War and peace, B. Economics, C. Human rights, D. None of these. Its correct answer option A. War and peace. Question. Absolute freedom of navigation upon the seas outside territorial waters alike in peace and in war, except as the seas may be closed in whole or in part by international action for the enforcement of international covenant, which was the President of United States who said this. A. Woodrow Wilson, B. William Howard Taft, C. Warren G. Harding, D. Calvin Coolidge. Its correct answer option A. Woodrow Wilson. Question. Statutes of the International Court of Justice were drawn up by A. London Declaration in 1941, B. Moscow and Tehran Conference in 1943, C. San Francisco Conference in 1945, D. The Charter of the United Nations. Its correct answer option D. The Charter of the United Nations. Question. The concept of freedom of the seas can be found in the United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea under Article A. 87.1, B. 86.1, C. 88.1, D. 89.1. Its correct answer option A. 87.1. Question. Who first propagates the principle that the sea are international territory free for all nations to use for seafaring trade? A. Hugo Grotius, B. Oppenheim, C. Hall, D. Kelsen. Its correct answer option A. Hugo Grotius. Question. UNCLOS replaced the four international treaties drafted in the late A. 50s, B. 60s, C. 70s, D. 80s. Its correct answer option A. 50s. Question. Mare Liberum, the Free Seas or the Freedom of the Seas is a book on international law written by A. Hugo Grotius, B. Oppenheim, C. Hall, D. Kelsen. Its correct answer option A. Hugo Grotius. Question. Public international law is primarily concerned with the right, duties, and interests of A. States, B. Individuals, C. Non-state entities, D. None of these. Its correct answer option A. States. Question. Every sovereign state is bound to respect the independence of every other sovereign state, and the court will not sit in judgment of another government's acts done within its own territory. It has a part of A. Act of State Doctrine, B. Doctrine of Freedom of the Seas, C. Harmon Doctrine, D. Calvo Doctrine. Its correct answer option A. Act of State Doctrine. Question. Calvo doctrine was presented by the Carlos Calvo from A. Argentine, B. USA, C. UK, D. None of these. Its correct answer option A. Argentine. Question. Calvo doctrine was advanced by Carlos Calvo in his International Law of Europe and America in Theory and Practice that was published in A. 1868, B. 1867, C. 1866, D. 1869. Its correct answer option A. 1868. Question. A person who is not a citizen or national of the state wherein he or she is located. A. Citizenship, B. Alien, C. Citizen, D. None of these. Its correct answer option B. Alien. Question. When an individual acquires citizenship in more than one country. A. Citizenship, B. Dual citizenship, C. Dual nationality, D. Nationality. Its correct answer option C. Dual nationality. Question. The legal relationship between an individual and a state whereby the individual claims protection from the state and in return state requires allegiance and certain obligation is called A. Nationality, B. Alien, C. Domicile, D. Immigration. Its correct answer option A. Nationality. If you like our videos, please subscribe this channel and like and share the video. Allah Hafiz.